Hey, Mr. G, and I'm going to show you another version of an A minor 7 alternative open chord. Really cool version here. And remember, A minor 7 is made up of your first, third flatted, fifth, and seventh flatted. For A minor 7, that would be A, C, E, and G. A, C, E, and G. So let me show you what this chord looks like, and I'll break it down in a minute. This is what it looks like and sounds like. Now what we're going to do is that sixth string, that E, we're going to play that open. In the fifth string, that A, we're going to play that open. Then on the fourth string, I'm going to take my ring finger on the 10th fret, and I'm going to play that C. Then I'm going to take my middle finger on the 9th fret of the third string and play that E. Then I'll take my index finger on the 8th fret of the second string and play that G. And then I'll play that first string, that E string open. And when you pull it all together, it sounds like this. And remember to work on your individual, your strumming, but your individual notes too. Hey, again, really cool alternative version of A minor 7. It's an open chord. Hey, add it to your mix when you're jamming on acoustic or you're jamming on electric. Throw that into the mix. Great chord to play. Again, keep on jamming.